Hey there, business owners. Are you frustrated because people visit your website but leave without buying or signing up? It's like throwing a big party where guests walk in, look around, and slip out the door. Sound familiar? Don't worry. Today, we're diving into the top 10 reasons your website isn't converting visitors and sharing easy fixes to turn browsers into buyers. Stick around because these tips could transform your business. Let's meet Sarah, a florist. She gets 2,000 visitors a month to her online shop, but only 20 buy her bouquets. That's a 1% conversion rate, way below the 3 to 5% average for online stores. By fixing a few things, Sarah boosted her sales 200% in just 2 months. Want to know how? Let's break it down. A conversion rate is the percentage of visitors who do what you want, like buy or sign up. If 100 people visit and 5 buy, that's 5%. Let's explore why your visitors might not be converting. First, your website might be too slow. Google says 53% of mobile users leave if a page takes over 3 seconds to load. It's like waiting in a long line at a coffee shop. You'd walk out. Target cut their load times and gained 1% more conversions per second saved. Action. Visit pagespeed.web.dev, enter your site's URL, and get a speed report with fixes like compressing images. All right, so next up, we have a confusing design. This can really push visitors away. HubSpot found that 70% of users bounce from messy sites. Let's take Tom, for example, a dog trainer. His site had way too many menus, so people just couldn't find his book a class page. But by simplifying it to a clear menu, home, services, pricing, contact, he actually tripled his bookings. So here's the action. Use big buttons, keep your menus simple, and embrace white space. And hey, test it out. See if a friend can find your key pages in 10 seconds. Moving on to the third point, you absolutely need clear calls to action, or CTAs, like buy now or get a quote. Without them, visitors are just lost. Studies show that strong CTAs can boost conversions by 121%. Take Lisa's catering site, for instance. She added a CTA like host your event today, click here, and her inquiries doubled. So the action here is to add bold CTAs at the top of your pages with words like start saving now. As digital marketing expert Anki Oudenaert wisely puts it, your website is only as good as the actions it inspires. Fourth, if visitors don't trust your site, they won't buy. Edelman says 81% of people need trust to make a purchase. Mike's Bike Shop added reviews like fast delivery, best bike ever, and a secure checkout badge which boosted conversions by 30%. So your action here is to collect reviews and show trust badges. Fifth, your site must work on phones. 53% of traffic is mobile. Emily's tutoring site needed zooming on phones and she was losing clients. A mobile-friendly design increased signups by 45%. So the action step is to test your site at Google's mobile-friendly test and use big, tappable buttons. Sixth, you might be attracting the wrong visitors. John's Pet Store targeted free pet tips and got browsers, not buyers. Switching to buy premium dog food online boosted sales by 180%. The action here is to use Google Keyword Planner for terms like best website conversion strategies so you can target buyers. Seventh, boring content kills engagement. Instead of listing features, focus on benefits. Rachel's fitness site shared stories like Jane lost 20 pounds with our plan and conversions rose 40%. So here's your action step. Use stories and emotional hooks like grow your business easily. Eighth, long forms scare people away. Each extra field cuts submissions by 10%. David's Store simplified a 12-field form to 4, lifting completions 60%. The takeaway? Use autofill and guest checkout for easy forms. Ninth, urgency gets action. Opt-in Monster says it can boost conversions by 332%. Anna's clothing site added limited stock, shop now timers, and that increased sales by 25%. So try honest countdowns or offers like free shipping today only. Finally, guessing what's wrong just wastes time. 61% of top sites use A/B testing and heat maps. A heat map shows where people click or scroll, red for busy spots, blue for quiet ones. Sarah's florist site used a heat map from Microsoft Clarity to find a hidden checkout button, and that boosted sales. Here's an action step. Get a free heat map at clarity.microsoft.com or a full speed and content report at Digital Marketing All. Your website can be a goldmine. Don't let slow speeds or confusing designs stop you. Start with one fix. Run a speed test at pagespeed.web.dev or get a heat map from Microsoft Clarity. Just imagine the thrill of seeing your sales soar as visitors say yes. Want to be our next success story? Contact Digital Marketing All to skyrocket your conversions. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips to grow your business.